Hello everyone, this is our project Smart Power Meter using Raspberry Pi and ESP32. So I will explain the project one by one. This is our input power. This is our first microcontroller ESP32. This is the PZEM sensor which read the power related data. So the data is like voltage, current, power factor, frequency, etc. This is current CT required for this sensor to read the current of this load, and this relay we use to control this load. And here is our server. So we create our own server and our own Android app. So right now the server is made with Raspberry Pi Zero. So the server is hosted on Raspberry Pi Zero, and the server is made with ng-rock system. And this is our app. So app provide you the multiple data points like voltage, current, power factor, energy consumption, usage like today's usage, monthly usage, and cost, load control, and system status, etc. You can download the consumption data date wise with this button. So this is a Raspberry Pi access via SSH. So you can see here is a ng-rock server and some Python scripts running here to send and receive the data. So I'll show you how it works. If I turn on the load, it will turn on the load, and you can see here our system is working very well. Right now it starts showing the voltage, current, power, and power factor, frequency, etc. Right now the power is multiplied by 10 just to show you how it shows the energy consumption. You can see the today's cost and monthly cost is increasing rapidly. I just multiply this power into 10. So consider this is a consider this 68.5 watt. I can simply control my load with this button. Sorry. It will take some time, depends on your network. So my network is very slow here. That's why it takes some time. Yeah, perfect. So you can see here two files created. I simply did ls. There is folder called power data. So if I change the directory to the power data, you can see there is two files like daily consumption.csv and power readings.csv. So these files contain the logs of our power and the consumption, and this is the proof that it's a SSH, nothing else. So this is an independent system. The server is independently working and the smart meter is running independently, no matter, just we required Wi-Fi and internet. And this is our app. Thank you.